Hi there students. In this video I wanted to look at the words Draconian and Drastic. Okay, Draconian gives the idea of very severe, very strict, very harsh, especially about laws or rules or things like that. Drastic is very similar, but it means extreme, severe, radical in effect, far-reaching. So if a law is draconian, it's cruel and hard, it's oppressive. It has the idea of dictatorship, of being without compassion, whereas drastic just has the idea of extreme. So desperate times call for desperate measures, drastic measures. You do something drastic in an extreme situation. It may be draconian or it may be not. Notice as well, this word drastic we can use as a synonym for extremely. So this is a drastic improvement. This is drastically better. Drastic gives the idea of forceful and extreme, but maybe with justification. Draconian gives the idea of very, very harsh, Orwellian. I like that word, Orwellian. It's referring to the book 1984. If something is draconian, it's oppressive. So, a draconian regime. Yeah, this is a regime where the punishments are extremely harsh, extreme. Yeah. But drastic is extreme, but it's less, it has more compassion to it. Notice this word Draco, or Draconian, is related to Draco. Draco was an Athenian statesman, ancient Greece, and he prescribed, he suggested that there should be the death penalty for almost all offences. That's very draconian. It's probably too drastic. Yeah? Okay? So, drastic, too extreme, but draconian, harsh. Okay, this word draconian comes from Draco or Dracon in ancient Greek, which means a huge snake or a huge serpent. Whereas drastic comes from drastikos, meaning efficient or active, which comes from drastos, to be done. So drastic is extreme, whereas draconian gives the idea of extremely harsh, extremely cruel, maybe even a bit unfair. Okay, so drastic, extreme, draconian, harsh. So what about formality? I would guess draconian I might give a 6 in formality. I think you probably could use it in an informal conversation, but I might use the word severe or harsh instead. Draconian certainly for something semi-formal and something very formal. Drastic, I think, is a neutral word, and you can use it both informally and formally, so it's more flexible. Okay, so draconian, very severe, very harsh, whereas drastic, very extreme. There you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Draconian and Drastic.